Imagine being able to improve your vision and protect your eyes from daily damage simply by drinking a juice that contains powerful ingredients for better eyesight. In this video, you'll learn about these superfoods and how to prepare this eye-boosting juice. Can you guess what these superfoods are? I'll also share with you some easy lifestyle habits that have a significant impact on maintaining eye health. Habits that are simple to follow, yet incredibly effective. Stick around till the end of this video to learn how to make this magical potion for your eyes, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any vital tips. Did you know that our vision is not only one of our most essential senses, but it is also one that can easily deteriorate from daily wear and tear? Our eyesight allows us to perceive every detail of the world and interact with it efficiently, making it crucial to protect our eyes from future damage, including harmful UV rays and long hours in front of screens. Let's dive into how our diet can serve as a shield, safeguarding our eyes. What we put on our plates has a direct impact on our eye health, and eating the right foods can act as an external protector, shielding our eyes from wear and tear. Eating healthy means fortifying your eyes against damage. Consuming fruits and vegetables rich in essential nutrients strengthens the structure of your eyes and helps prevent conditions such as cataracts and even glaucoma, which can seriously affect your vision in the future. Did you know that glaucoma is one of the leading causes of irreversible vision loss in the United States, affecting over 200,000 Americans each year? Often, glaucoma goes undiagnosed until it's too late, and the damage it causes is irreversible. This is why a healthy diet is essential for preserving and maintaining your vision. Let's uncover the foods that can help you achieve this. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, protects your eyes from oxidative stress damage. This vitamin also plays a key role in regenerating and repairing other antioxidants, such as vitamin E. Vitamin A is vital for good vision, especially in low light conditions. It is essential for preventing night blindness and maintaining the health of the surface of your eyes. Vitamin A, found in carrots, sweet potatoes, and liver, is a key component in the visual receptor proteins of the retina. Vitamin E is crucial for protecting eye cells against damage caused by free radicals, and it may also help slow down degenerative processes that can affect vision. Nuts, seeds, and leafy green vegetables are rich in vitamin E. Zinc is an essential mineral involved in numerous enzymes needed for eye health. It's also crucial for the proper functioning of the retina. Zinc helps convert vitamin A stored in the liver into active retinol in the retina. This mineral is found in meat, oysters, and legumes. Lutein and zeaxanthin are antioxidants found in green vegetables like spinach and kale. They filter harmful high-energy light and protect against macular degeneration. These nutrients are vital for maintaining clear vision and overall eye health. Now, let's think about how we can incorporate these nutrients into a healthy diet. What if we used this knowledge to create a tasty and nutritious recipe that combines all of these essential nutrients? I'll show you how to make a juice packed with these powerful ingredients. Ingredients: 2 carrots, rich in vitamin A. 1 cup of kale, packed with lutein, zeaxanthin, and other antioxidants. 1 cup of spinach, also high in lutein and zeaxanthin. 1 small beetroot. 1 orange, an excellent source of vitamin C. A piece of ginger, a natural anti-inflammatory. 1 cup of water to adjust the consistency. Preparation. Make sure to wash all the ingredients thoroughly. Peel the oranges, carrots, and beetroot. Chop all the ingredients into sizes appropriate for your juicer. Start by juicing the leafy greens, then add the oranges, carrots, ginger, and beetroot. If the juice is too thick, add 1 cup of water to adjust the consistency. Enjoy the benefits of this nutritious juice, mixing it well and serving immediately. Not only is this juice delicious, but it also contains ingredients known for promoting eye health. Incorporating it into your breakfast or having it as a snack during the day is an easy way to maintain healthy vision. In addition to a healthy diet, there are many simple daily practices that can improve eye health. Here are some easy suggestions to follow. This rule is essential for those who spend a lot of time in front of screens. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break to look at an object 20 feet away. This will reduce eye strain caused by excessive screen time. Protecting your eyes from harmful UV rays is crucial, especially on sunny days. It's also important to stay properly hydrated, as adequate hydration helps prevent dry eyes by maintaining natural eye lubrication. These practices are easy to implement and can significantly impact the health of your vision. Why not start taking care of your eyes today? Now you are ready to take your eye health to the next level. But don't stop here. There are many more videos with tips and information to help you take care of both your eyes and your overall health. Click on the video below to continue your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to ensure you never miss out on anything. We're always here to help you see the world in a clearer, healthier way.